Alright, so this is our first video on graphing the motion of a football being thrown. Alright, so if we look at our graph here, this is the position versus time plot of a football being thrown. Alright, and if you look at it, it looks very similar to what like a football would look like if you threw it. So around this area, this would be where the ball is in your hand, and then you're going to throw it, and the ball is going to go all the way up. And then gravity is going to start taking control, and it's going to slow down and stop right here. And gravity is going to pull it right back down until it hits the ground. All right. So what I did here, I gave you the table, the data table, to describe this graph here. So we're just going to go over this data table, and then we're going to regraph the data table to see if it looks similar to the one we have up here. All right, so this is position versus time, so that's why we have X versus T. All right, X is our dependent variable and T is our independent variable. All right, so at 1 meter, the ball was at 0 seconds. That is right here. At 2 meters, the ball was at 0.1 second. At 4 meters is at 0.3 seconds. At 6 meters is at 0.4 seconds. At 8 meters is at 0.6 seconds. At 10 meters is at 0.8 seconds. At 11 meters is at 1 second. At 12 meters is at 1.2 seconds. So 12 meters, the ball is right here. All right. And now this is the climax moment. So this is when the ball starts to turn back down. So at 13 meters, it was at 1.5 seconds. At 12 meters, as it starts to go down, 1.7 seconds. At 10 meters, 2 seconds. At 8 meters, 2.2 seconds. At 6 meters, 2.4 seconds. At 4 meters, 2.6 seconds. And at 2 meters, the ball is at 2.8 seconds. And as you can see here, at 0 meters, that's right here, it's at 3 seconds. All right, so that is the position versus time plot of football being thrown. And in the next video, we're going to regraph this and see if this data that I got from here is correct.